OnePlus is expected to unveil the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro in China soon. It may not launch before the June 18th. Today, Tipster Digital Chat Station revealed the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro's design. According to reports, the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro will have a 6.78-inch OLED panel that offers a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, up to 500 nits of maximum brightness, and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. It will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The device will run on Android 14, based on ColorOS 14.1. On the front, it will have a 16-megapixel selfie camera, and its back panel will feature a 50-megapixel, 8-megapixel, ultra-wide, 2-megapixel, macro, triple camera unit. There is a 6,100 mAh battery on the Ace 3 Pro with 100W fast charging support. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro is expected to have a starting price of 3,000 renminbi, around 35,300 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.